Hey everyone, it's Shirley again, jamming with yarn, another episode of Deliberate Cooking, and I'd like to welcome you back, all my subscribers, new subscribers, passerbyers. Please make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and definitely hit the like button and leave me a message. I do appreciate the messages. So what I'm doing today is my daughter took me to the Asian store and I saw this already pressed tofu and I thought I'd give it a try. I saw this here, but when I got home I didn't really just add peanut butter. So I don't have any peanut butter, but what I'm thinking is that tahini sauce maybe. I didn't see any. It's all this rice flour and spices, so hopefully there's no spices that I should not have that's in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir fry these vegetables up. I'm going to chop this tofu. It's really thick, look at it you guys. Nice and flat though. I'm going to chop this tofu. I like that. Mine don't come out like that when I press it, into just cubes. I have my pot on. I hope you guys are doing good, and I hope you guys are just enjoying the new year and each and every day. You know, make it your best day, because we never know. And if something come up, let's all try to just deal with it and not let it get to us. So I'm going to put some, I don't have all my lights on. That's what I noticed. Hold on. I'm going to turn on the other light. Okay, so I am going to have to take that pot off. You know, I like this pot. It was $9 and it works on this. I am so happy about that. So I'm going to put some butter in there. It's really hot when I was getting the light. There we go. And cut it back on now. So I'm going to stir fry that up. I think I'm not going to put all this in here. I think what I might do is put a little olive oil. I do not like the taste of this particular, not that brand. There's something else that's in that bottle. I don't like the taste of that olive oil. So I'm going to take these baby carrots, just dice them up. I'm going to put everything in here, and once that's done, we are going to take it out and put in the tofu. Okay, so I think this is coming along pretty good, because it's going to boil anyway. None of this needs to boil long, and this is me just doing my own thing. I like quick and fast, you guys know that. So this is just, oops, that's just me making it up as I go. I am going to throw in some vegetable oil. I'm going to stir fry this just to get it brown. These tofu pieces here. Stir fry that. Let's see. Not quite yet. Let's see how that works. There's the carrot. So I hope you guys are doing well. It's February. Where's that February? Oh Lord. I tell you, it doesn't work good when I'm dealing with stress. I'm not stressed, but my body evidently is taking it as stress. Okay, see how that looks. Let this brown. Take that out. Yeah, take that out, and then we'll put this in some water once it's done. So while this is browning, you guys, you know, I thought I would just tell you guys a story. I left off my last story. I don't know if you guys went over to Resolution of the Heart and seen the last story that I put on. But I wanted to say something good, because it's, even though the outcome of most of these stories that I tell you, they come out well. I tell you one thing, what I really liked. Well, I love my mom. Eventually, I found out I did. But what I liked, she used to make banana pudding. And you guys tell me if you guys ever got in trouble for this. And when I was younger, I did not like bananas. I mean, seriously. It's like, I don't know what that was, but I did not like them. And so she would make a banana pudding, and I would eat all the cookies out of it. Not the cream, just the cookies. And then she would go in there. She'd be like, oh, who did this? You know? That was some of the, that was a good time. Didn't get in trouble for that. It was just like a little, but, and then also what I liked, she used to make this succotash, and it was so good. I mean, it was the best succotash I've ever tasted. It wasn't greasy or anything like that. You know, she was the kind of person, even though I told you the other stories, but she was the kind of person, she was juicing carrots and she was things like that before it was popular, you know. She would be watching Jack LaLanne, you guys who remember him, and would be doing her exercise on the floor. I mean, and I grew up drinking carrot juice and things like that. So I think it's just in my makeup to eat natural, even though I have slid off, you know, way slid off, because I like the candies. Hold on, I gotta get the salt and pepper. So I like the candy, so that messed me up. And yeah, those are the two funny things. Tell me one of your stories that your mom cooked something that you really did like. Yeah, put it in the comments below. So we're gonna keep it light today, and I'll probably just add this video also to Resolution of the Heart, because I don't know, I think everyone that watched this one watches that one, but just in case someone new stop by over to that channel, this would be the next video. So at this point, we are going to take that out, the crack in my bowl. Well, yeah, take this out. Hold on. Take this out of here. I think it's brown enough. What do you guys think? I like that, the way that I like that. Look at that. Yeah. I think it's brown enough. Take these out, because it's going to be boiled anyway. I have my water boiling, and we're going to put it all together. So I just have some water here boiling. We're going to throw everything in and wish for the best. Okay, wish for the best. I should call this wishful cooking. Wishing that it tastes okay, or it's edible. So I'm going to throw these in here. Ouch. Okay. And then I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to let it boil for a while. Looks like I might have too much water here. Okay. What I'm going to do is let that boil. And if it's too much, I'll scoop some out. And scoop that out. Let's see how that goes. Okay. Okay, you guys, change your plans. I opened this and I put my finger in it to, I'm pretty sure there's garlic in there, but it garlic and onions, because I'm smelling it. I'm pretty sure it is. So I'm going to use bok choy in here. But see how these are holding up under this water. Look at that. So yeah, I think that's going to be a good little stew. So I'm going to put this bok choy in there, let it cook for a while, make us some kind of salsa gravy, and come back. Okay, let's give this a try. This is what it looks like. This is my favorite spoon because it's bigger than the other ones. Okay, you know, some potatoes would have been good, and that are a potato. So we are going to, so what did I do? I ended up putting the bok choy in it. I used my vegetarian bouillon. What else did I add? I added a little coconut oil, the fat, the white one, to it to give it some thickness. Well, not thickness. It gives food or vegetarian. This is only what I'm learning, and like meaty, not meaty taste, but a fat, it like a fat consistency to it. So let's see what this looks like. And look, you guys, my tofu held up. I want to see how that tofu tastes. I don't know, I'm just going through this thing where I need soothing liquids. So let's see what this looks like. You guys see? Put you over here. Let's see. Let's see what that tofu. Oh, I put the those little green things in it. Oh, what do you call them? What do you call them? I'll go look. Let's see how. It's okay. For this, yeah. I hope that the carrots are ready. It's just hot. Here we go. Our vegetable. That was hot. Oh, you know what I put in there? Remember these big old bay leaves I bought a while back? I put one in there. It tastes good. Yeah, it tastes good. So, guys, you know what I'm going to say. Eat as fresh as you can, as often as you can. Take care of yourself. And if you can do something for somebody else, do it. I'll see you next time. Bye.